Hi, I'm Sean with Guarantee RV, and thanks for checking our YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Coachmen Apex Nano 290 Bunkhouse. So as we walk around the outside of the trailer, you're going to see this nice little outdoor kitchen that has a little extra refrigerator and a gas stovetop out here. You're going to have an outdoor shower. You're going to have a solar panel on the side if you want to hook up some solar. You're going to have 2 batteries, propane tanks, and a full pass-through storage here on the front. As we walk inside to the right here, you're going to see a really nice closet to put your shoes or jackets when you come in from getting dirty. You're going to see a beautiful entertainment center with fireplace here. As you walk into the master suite, you're going to see a nice bed with lots of storage around the bed. As you walk in, you're going to see a large living space with couch, U-shaped dinette, beautiful sized kitchen. And as you get back to the bunks, you're going to see you have 2 full-size bunks back here with plenty of room for kids or extra passengers. Lots of storage even underneath that bottom bunk there. And as you walk in, you're just going to see you have a nice full-size bathroom in there. Great for everybody. Get everybody cleaned up, out to go have some more fun. Once again, I'm Sean with Guarantee RV, and thanks for looking at our 2021 Coachmen Apex 290 Bunkhouse.